Alright guys, so I promised you refrigerated pasta. Here we have it. Based on the ingredients I had, this was largely inspired by the Italian dish Puttanesca. Although I did add some Scotch bonnet, which isn't at all authentic. I like to keep a bunch of bougie pastas in my cupboard, but honestly anyone will do. And don't underestimate using pasta water. It literally turns your pasta sauce into magic. So once you've combined everything and let it simmer, you get this lovely, gorgeous, thick pasta. Then it's the all-important finishing touches. Lots of parmesan, black pepper, and then you're ready to enjoy. I really hadn't planned on making this, but honestly, so glad I did.